Welcome to our updated guide on changing your email address on Pinterest. It's essential to keep your account details current, ensuring your Pinterest remains secure and accessible. Whether you've switched email providers or just want to update your contact information, this video will walk you through the process step by step. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, look for the saved icon at the bottom right corner. Tap it. This will take you to your profile. Next, find and tap on your profile icon. It's usually located at the top left corner of the screen. This action will direct you to your account settings, where you can manage various aspects of your Pinterest experience. Now scroll down until you see Account Management and tap on it. Here, you'll find all the options related to your account information and settings. In the Account Management menu, you'll see Email listed as an option. Tap on Email to access the section where you can modify your current email address. In the email field, carefully enter your new email address. Make sure it's correct and one you have access to, as Pinterest will send a verification link to this new address. After entering your new email, tap the Next button, which will prompt Pinterest to send a verification email to the new address you just provided. Check your inbox for a verification email from Pinterest. Open the email and click on the verification link inside. This confirms that you have access to the new email address and that the change is authorized. If you don't see the email in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Once you've clicked the verification link, you may be redirected to Pinterest, or you might just see a confirmation message. Either way, your email address on Pinterest is now updated. Remember, keeping your email address updated is crucial for account security and to receive important notifications from Pinterest. If you run into any issues during this process, Pinterest's Help Center is a great resource for troubleshooting and additional support. That's it. You've successfully changed your email address on Pinterest. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tricks.